basic version, just follow the tab along you go. If you want to make it a little bit more exciting, here's a couple of things you can do. So you play your first note, and then you can do a hammer on to get the 0 to 2. And then watch this. It's not really notated there, but you're going to do, to get, when you go to that 3rd fret there, you're going to also very sharply hammer into it. That makes it just sound, I don't know, way cooler. And the same thing when you go at the end there, you can do a quick hammer on onto that 3 again.